Is there a keyboard shortcut to indent a nested bullet point in a table cell the proper way? Open Word and insert a table, one by one will work just fine. Right-click in the table and, in the context menu, select Bullets and a bullet image from the bullet library. Type something and press Enter. Type something else, but, instead of clicking Enter, right-click and select Increase Indent. Notice something else moves into the proper indentation of a nested bullet. Outside of a word table, you would simply press Tab to get this behavior, but I want a keyboard shortcut, if available, to do this inside the table. This is what I've tried. Ctrl plus Tab just indents the text, not the bullet. Ctrl plus T, same as Ctrl plus Tab. Ctrl plus M, indents the text and the bullet but does not change the bullet style. Can this be done outside the right-click context menu?
In at least Word 2010, you can increase/decrease the indent in a bulleted or numbered list using the following keyboard shortcuts. Windows Shift plus Alt plus slash. Mac, Shift plus Control plus slash.
Press Enter twice. It works. The first one creates the next nested line at the current indent, but the second stroke decreases the indent to the previous indent and section heading.
For Mac Word 2011 also see CMD plus Shift plus M to decrease indentation of bullet. Control plus Shift plus M to increase indentation of bullet.
For Word 2011 for Mac, the combination that works is
Control plus Shift plus left/right arrow.